Brevo versus ActiveCampaign. I've been using both Brevo and ActiveCampaign lately, and honestly, I wanted to see which one really makes sense if you're running email campaigns on a budget versus needing something more advanced. I'd heard a lot about both, so I figured the best way to judge is to just dive in and test them myself. So here's the gist. Brevo is super beginner-friendly. It's kind of an all-in-one tool with email marketing, basic CRM, SMS, and even live chat built in. It's clearly aimed at small businesses or creators who want something that just works without overthinking it. ActiveCampaign, on the other hand, is more of a full-fledged marketing powerhouse, powerful automation, advanced CRM, lead scoring, deep integrations, basically for marketers who want to go all in and have complex campaigns. When I set up my first campaign on Brevo, I was impressed by how simple it was. Drag and drop editor, quick setup, and the AI assistant for rewording copy actually saved me time. I could get an email out in 10 to 15 minutes without feeling lost. The predictive send time feature was a cool surprise, and automations were surprisingly comprehensive for a lower-cost platform. The only thing that bothered me was the templates. They're decent, but there aren't a ton of modern designs, and you need a paid plan to remove Brevo branding. Meanwhile, ActiveCampaign felt more professional, but it definitely has a learning curve. Setting up automations and campaigns took longer, and there's a lot more to explore. What really stood out were the advanced features, multi-step automations, conditional content, and detailed segmentation. The email templates are great, over 250 of them, and they're organized by purpose, which made finding the right one faster. But all this comes at a higher cost, and if you're just sending simple emails, it might feel like overkill. One thing I noticed comparing both, Brevo is great for simplicity and speed, and I loved having the CRM and live chat built in without extra cost. ActiveCampaign shines if you need advanced automation, lead scoring, and deeper reporting. Basically, if email is a big part of your sales funnel. So, my take, if you're a small business or creator looking for something affordable and easy, Brevo is perfect. But if you want serious marketing automation, lead scoring, and more robust reporting, ActiveCampaign is worth the investment. Personally, I'm sticking with Brevo for now. It's simple, fast, and covers all my needs without paying for stuff I won't use. But I totally see why someone with bigger campaigns would go for ActiveCampaign.